This will take place in 3 weeks utilizing Shiba's new currency. If you're willing to never work again, you might argue that she recently overtook Doge on the charts and rankings. If so, you can see why. Job is currently the second most popular meme coin after Doge. The new coin is the second meme coin after Doge to be marketed as a Dogecoin killer among the top 15 cryptocurrencies in August of 2000, and an unnamed cryptocurrency developer name produced Shiba Inu has expanded over the past 2 years, receiving praise from titans of the industry like Elon Musk and Vitalik. Welcome to version 2.0 of CryptoZane, your daily dose of Shiba. Today, we'll go into great length about the future of Shiba Inu coins. You're in the proper place if you're interested in everything Shiba related. If you want to keep informed about all the latest Shib news and weather, subscribe. Don't forget to enable all of it to join in our weekly cash award if you want us to tell you more Shib news. You're head in the crypto world, hit the like button. Before we talk about our topic, let's look at the chart to see what the price of Shiba is doing on October 12th. The Shiba Inu price is now experiencing. As the second trading week of October got underway, there had been an ongoing mudslide that had exceeded $10 million. The bears then caused a sharp decline on Sunday, October 9. They did this by creating a rejection from the 21-day simple moving average, which sparked an 8% decline from the Eiffel-style penny as the price briefly fell. $996 million of a dollar ship business is currently auctioning off $1 billion worth of goods during the most recent fall. The bears were able to remove a number of levels that supported the infamous meme currency in September. Interestingly, even though their relative strength index is significantly oversold, the volume is still rising. The profile indication for the current recession is deteriorating. The overall loss is quite large, and if market conditions remain, a breach of the $917 million low is imminent. However, for the sake of our readers' security, this information is being withheld in case the indicator soon signals a comeback before bears continue to exert their strength. The hypothesis will remain negative until the double back test level of $1 billion, $900 million is crossed. A break through the previous resistance could lead to a countertrend rally toward the one-day exponential moving average, which is currently located at $1,020 million. This move would cause a 5% increase in the price. A rise in the price of Shiba. Let's get back to the topic at hand. Since she was created, the altcoin has maintained competition with Doge despite the latter's continued market dominance. The concept was inspired by love for Shiba Inu docs. It started out with nothing and the idea of producing nothing, but it is becoming a for me edible participant in the Bitcoin industry. The coin has attracted both serious and casual investors who see it as a potential long-term investment opportunity. In order to compete with Doge and potentially even outperform it, SHIB operates in the 20 token market. Its creators call it the Dogecoin killer. Many and vigils who missed the Doge mania are now betting on the SHIB. Shiba Inu has a reputation for being a disruptor in management and operations because it is always eager to experience the next amazing meme. The business started with a supply of 1 quadrillion. Its founder writes she originally burned 50% of Unis. Bob to Ethereum's founder Vital Uterine before locking the remaining 50%. The reason for this move is still unknown. Later, in the year 2201, Buhner chose to donate the final 10% of his Shiba Inu assets to charity after giving out $1 billion worth of SHIB tokens. He said that this was the only way for him to stop his transactions from going through and his decision to burn his assets from turning red to a cop, and the 19 Relief Fund for India's crypto relief. To successfully eliminate them from the market, about 50% of the Shiba Inu coins in circulation, one would perceive a claim beauty or in for his attempt to creating a decentralized financial system because the existing location of these currencies is out of the public's reach. He also praised the Shiba Inu community for their support of many initiatives, including the Fellows and Existential Safety. A Shiba Inu incubator is also supported by the platform, which allows for a large number of the FT project supports artists with the creation, presentation, promotion, and sale of their works as well as giving them alternative sources of income. The group is involved in the rescue of real Shiba Inu dogs through its affiliation with the Shiba Inu Rest, innovative digital artists who give the impression of a decentralized movement. While mainstream cryptocurrencies are anticipated to be alternatives to fiat currencies, mainstream cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu were merely making fun of the claims made by mainstream cryptocurrencies. But as these mean, skeptics aren't uncertain about the future of cryptocurrencies in general and meme coins in particular. Coins become more popular. Few attempts were made to develop use cases for the currency, neither for the purpose nor did the community foresee such a rise in meme coin popularity. But there are currently a few businesses in the United States that accept Shiba Inu as payment in contrast to the vast majority of cryptocurrency sellers selling the meme. According to our data, coins is another factor influencing the growth of the Shiba Inu money. Whales formerly own $1 billion worth of cheap coins, but they keep selling and burning the money, so they only have a fraction of the initial amount. Whales benefited from the booming cryptocurrency market. Shiba and the Shiba Inu groups want to buy the coin listed on Robinhood markets, which reached an all-time high price of $8,844,500,000,000 in late October of the year 2022. The second quarter of that year was a slaughter. But, because of the plight of sheep at the time, it was not successful. Publication evidently a sense of community is important to the growth of SHIB. Whether it be at their demand to be listed on Robinhood or their request that McDonald's adopt as a payment method, the community has long supported the increase of sheep. It was valued at $1,010,109,800,000,000. Before investing in a cryptocurrency, especially something as volatile as SHIB, it is prudent for investors to conduct their own research. For example, or modify blog posts claim that after analyzing sheep prices and mortgage a Shiba Inu dog breed, it has also become home to a sizable community of NFT artists whose work focuses on the Shiba Inu dog breed. Changes according to certain crypto specialists. The price of Shiba Inu money might hit an all-time high in the year 2105, while experts predict that the price of SHIB would range between $5,400 and $4,180 per ounce. Intelligent concurs with this finding. While they anticipate that enough tokens will be burned this year, they are less optimistic about their price increasing in the year 2202. They predict that the highest and lowest prices of sheep will be $1,928,000,000 and $9,840,000,000, respectively. The average price was estimated to be around $1. This finishes our discussion for today. We would also want to point out that this is not a channel intended to offer financial advice, and we did not ask you to invest in any businesses. Rather, it is a channel intended to deliver educational content to your house before making any investments.